Karate, a traditional Japanese martial art, is more than just a physical practice, it's a journey of self-discovery. The term karate translates to empty hand, reminding us that our greatest weapons are our own bodies. Each punch and kick is not just a technique, it's a lesson in discipline and control. As I train, I learn to master not only my movements but also my breath and my thoughts. The rigorous practice sharpens my focus, builds my confidence, and strengthens my resolve. With every kata, I embrace the challenge, pushing my limits and discovering the power within. Karate teaches us that true strength lies in self-discipline and mental fortitude, shaping not just skilled martial artists, but resilient individuals ready to face life's battles. Karate is more than just a physical practice, it's a journey of inner discipline that shapes both body and mind. Every punch, every kick, every kata is a step toward mastering not just the techniques, but also the mental fortitude that fuels our passion. As I train, I feel my balance and coordination sharpen, my strength and speed increase, and my flexibility expand. Each sparring session pushes me to focus, to adapt, to overcome. It's in those moments of challenge that I discover my true potential. The sweat, the effort, the repetition, it's all part of a greater purpose. This discipline transforms me, teaching me resilience and clarity. In karate, I find not just a martial art, but a way to cultivate the warrior within.